is Mary from Mary's Stamping Happenings, and this is There's a Card Thursday. I hope you really enjoy this video on cards, and if you'd like to purchase any of the products seen, you can go to my website at marytroutner.stampinup.net and click on Shop Now. Hi everybody, this is Mary from Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today's There's a Card Thursday. And I know we just got through with Christmas, but I want to show you a Christmas card that you can start for next year. This I call the Flurry of Wishes Simple Card. And what we're going to be needing is, of course, we're going to be using the Flurry of Wishes stamp set. We're going to be using ink, Soft Sky, Pear Pizzazz, and So Saffron. We're going to be using a piece of Whisper White cardstock, 8.5 by 5.5, and just a smaller piece of Pool Party, or Soft Sky, cardstock, 3 by 2, whatever, just so you can get the Pretty Labels punch. And we're going to use Stamping Dimensionals. And I tell you, this is really a simple card. Because the Flurry of Wishes is photopolymer, we're going to put a little mat down there. We're going to fold our cardstock in half to make it a card base. And then we're going to just stamp a few images. I'm going to stamp a couple of these big images with Pool Party. And they don't all have to fit on the card base. Okay. Then I'm going to stamp a couple of these medium ones with So Saffron. Let's bring this down so you can see it better, okay? There. And one right there, and maybe one off here. And then with the Pear Pizzazz, I'm going to stamp the two ones. There we go. Quick, easy. You could do like a one-sheet wonder with this if you wanted to. In fact, I think I did a one-sheet wonder with this. Now with the Soft Sky, I'm going to stamp the saying. And I'm using the Flurry of Wishes stamp set. It's still current, so you can purchase it. And I am using the Everyday Label Punch, or not the Everyday Label Punch, what is it called? Pretty Label Punch. And there's my dimensionals. I really hope you purchase your stamping supplies from me. I'm trying to earn the trip to take my daughter to Greece next year, and I need all the help I can get. So anyhow, let's bring this down. There's the card. For There's Card Thursday. Oh, okay. For There's Card Thursday, thanks for visiting and happy stamping. Bye-bye. Oh, don't forget, follow me, and all the supplies are listed below. Bye-bye.